So we're about 2.5 hours north of Atlanta, the tallest peak in Georgia, Brasstown Bald. I have my Sony here. I have my Sony a6000. I have my drone, which I don't know if I can fly here, but my goal is to get some really good time lapses. I don't know if you can see, I have my gimbal and a lot of other things. So the thing that's tough about this is at the beginning, it's really steep. So I'm gonna conserve my energy. Maybe I'll get some roll, but just with the GoPro, I'm not gonna use my Sony at all. And yeah, truly a horrible day to have done legs in the morning. Whew, I'm about halfway up. I'm trying to go a consistent pace, but my ass is getting kicked. Okay, let's keep going. All right, I think we're almost there. That sucked. Oh yeah. Sorry, I'm breathing so heavily into the mic. Brasstown Bald, the highest point in Georgia, 4,784 feet high. This is the observatory deck. Let me get up there. Beautiful up here. Oh. Man, oh man. Look. Look at those rays of light. Alright, so that's it. I had this place mostly to myself. 2 guys came up just to see the sunset, but it wasn't a terrific sunset, but I think I got a lot of cool pictures. Hopefully they came in focus. I may try to get a few more while there's still some blue hour light. But yeah, overall, a great success, I think. I really just needed to get out and get some photos. It was worth the drive coming all the way from Atlanta just for this. So yeah, I'm gonna get some other pictures, and then I'm gonna walk down and head back. And I got my light here just in case it gets too dark.